are you? Hope you all are spending your quality time with your families. Today, I am going to give you the solution of the worksheet. But before that, let's revise all the sight words. Children, let's do the recap of sight words. Say loudly, I. am, am, am. Of, off, off. wev, wev. so, so. to, to. he, he. she, she. and, and. it, it. you, you. you. are, are. the, the. is, is. my, my. Now I am going to give you the solution of the worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to match the similar sight words. So first one is am, am. Match it with am. Very good. Next is she. Match it with she. Next, at. Match it with at. Very good. Next is to. Match it with to. Next is he. Next is up. So match it with up. Very good, children. Now in this worksheet, children, I did one for you. Now we have to find the second one. ARER. So ARER is here. Next one is WEV. So look here. WEV. Next is IT, it. So circle on IT, it. Very good. Next is is. So circle on is very good. Next is A M M. So circle on M. Next is Y O U U. Circle on U. Very good. And the last one is S O so. Circle on so. Hope you enjoyed doing this worksheet. So children, keep on practicing all the topics. And parents, you can make a chart of sight words and hang on the wall of your child's bedroom so that they can recall and learn faster. Thank you.